How to add core multi-chain. Are you guys facing issues to add core multi-chain on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, you can see the option for plus icon, tap on it. Now hit the search bar and search for core multi-chain. You are looking to add core multi-chain, right? Just check the box and tap on next button. Hit the import button. As soon as you click on import, core multi-chain will be added on MetaMask. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add core multi-chain on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.